Come on, try again, dude.
Okay, okay. Whoa. Whoa.
All right, you got a few more stairs to go there, big guy.
Whoa. Whoa.
Come on, dude, you can do it.
I know.
Okay, you're 1 minute into this venture of trying to get up the stairs backwards. You can do it, dude. Just make sure you got your hands down in the back so that you don't slide down.
Oh.
So then put your hands up and then put your feet up onto the next stair at the same time.
Oh.
You can do it. Push, push, push. Just on the bottom stair, you gotta do one stair at a time. Move that other arm up onto the first stair.
I can't.
Oh, you see now you're forward.
Okay.
That's not backward. No, you can't go forward then backward.
Okay, then we'll get back into the position. Ah! Ah! Okay, I'm ready.
You can do it.
Okay.
Come on, let's see you do it. Just get that other hand up onto the stair. Push hard.
Okay, this time I'm gonna do it. I'll get past the first stair.
Yeah. You push down with your heels. There you go. There you go. Push, push. Get that hand up. Nice, nice. Okay, do it again. Next stair. Push, push, push hard. Yeah.
Oh, my arm. No. I can do it.
I think you're a little pooped, aren't you?
Now comes the hard part. I'm okay.
Okay, you're okay? Okay, get her done. Okay. Just 3 more steps. Grab back with your heels there, like you were doing before. Heel down, heel down. Yeah, do it. Push, push. Oh, oh, oh.
Okay. Okay. Do what I did before. Ready? Set.
Okay, almost there. Okay. Grabbing onto carpet, are we? Come on, do it. You can do it. Oh, you're there. Nice.
Ow. I think I got rug burn. Okay, sure.